What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. So we are on the chart right here for SUI versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame, and KuCoin is the data source. And according to our post-election theory, like we said, that the post-election theory says after every election we usually see the pump. After every election we see the pump, and if that happens exactly as predicted right here for SUI, we should expect that SUI could see higher price targets, right? So we should expect to see SUI minimum in November to push towards those 1.618, which could be the $3.17. So we could see another 40% push in November alone for SUI, which could put SUI exactly at those $3.2 level, right? So we should expect even more push to the upside right here for SUI based on the post-election theory. And we would continue to watch SUI and give you updates as regards SUI right here on the channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be giving you updates as regards this, if we would see the theory play out or not. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.